Place where competition is high and food is scarce. This is the nature of DrewTube home. I start my journey in the backyard and work my way up to the front steps, in which we will find our first person, Mediocris Puella, average girl doing average things that a girl would do. I next have to work my way down the stairs without being noticed into the basement, as some people call it, the Dungeon of Doom. In this place is which I will find and have to hide so I am not noticed, in which I will find Piger Hominis, also known as Lazy Man. So we have very exclusive photos and videos of him. Only videos, really. No photos were taken. But here we have it. Photos of Piger Hominis in his natural habitat, doing natural things, which isn't very exciting. I try to get a closer look at what he's doing. So I move slowly, or I guess crawl quickly and loudly, and I still don't understand what he's doing. I then work my way back upstairs, in which I will find Dulce et Mortiferum, which means sweet but deadly. This is the mom of the family. She is sweet, but if you mess with her, she can become very deadly. Not literally, but you get the idea. I then work my way up into the sports closet in order to hide and find my next victim. Or I wouldn't really call it a victim, but next capture. And this is where I found Pater Mirabile, also known as Amazing Dad, talking about politics or something. Alas, when the day is over, it is time for me to refresh. Like I said, food is scarce, competition is big. I found the best thing would be a glass of milk. And no, there is no scientific name for the narrator, but if it were, it would be Amazing Narrator. As the narrator pours a glass of milk for himself to enjoy in his lonely house after competition has gone. In a place where competition is big and no one dares to go, nature of a DrewTube home is empty.